Twinkle, twinkle, little star, a guide for those who travel far. In the dark, your light so bright, like a diamond shining just right.
When the sun has set its glow and the night has taken its show, you light up the world below with your sparkle oh so low.
Through the clouds and the moon's soft light, you shine on a beacon of sight, a precious gem in the vast sky, guiding travelers day by day. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how you light up the night so far. In the dark, your light so true. Twinkle, twinkle, shine through.
In my dreams you twinkle too, a symbol of hope you come to me. When the world seems full of doubt, you're a reminder you're not alone.
Even when the darkness falls and the world feels like it's got all, you're there, a gentle guide. Twinkle, twinkle, shining white.
Through the night you watch and wait, a silent friend in the dark of faith, a precious gem in the vast sky, guiding travelers day by day. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how you light up the night so far. In the dark, your light so true. Twinkle, twinkle, star.